Are you looking for the best cryptocurrency wallet? Getting on the Bitcoin bandwagon isn't as straightforward as shelling out some money to make a few deals. An equally important consideration is which cryptocurrency wallet you will use. There are numerous brands available, each with its own set of features, security, and even storage media. Today, I'll go over the top selections and describe the factors to consider when selecting the ideal wallet for your needs. Choosing the greatest crypto wallet is more than just picking one with the finest of everything. You must select the best one for your requirements. Do you, for example, consider it as a one-way street to securely save crypto? Or do you require more accessible transactions? And before we begin, I'd like to welcome you to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is the new currency in today's world, and on this channel, I'm going to teach you the most accurate and up-to-date knowledge to be successful in life and in business. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking the button below. Hit the like button and turn the notification bell on. This way, you'll be the first to know about my new videos. So what is a crypto wallet? Despite its volatile highs and lows, Bitcoin has retained a high level of attention throughout time. There's a lot of mystery around the matter, from instant billionaires to the ability to manufacture money out of thin air. Nonetheless, despite a growing user base, there remains a common misconception that crypto wallets hold cryptocurrency. I'll go into more depth later, but the reality is that crypto wallets hold blockchain keys. Their mission in life is straightforward: to enable access to blockchain transaction records. As a result, it is incorrect to argue that crypto wallets store cryptocurrency. However, you cannot have crypto without a crypto wallet. How to choose the right crypto wallet? Unlike traditional wallets, which are barely distinguishable apart from the brand, the crypto wallet you select has several implications. These might range from critical components such as supported cryptocurrencies to possibly jeopardizing the security of your account. Here are some of the most crucial factors to consider while looking for the best crypto wallet to match your needs. Range of cryptocurrencies supported. Many people are familiar with Bitcoin, but there are currently over 4,000 cryptocurrencies in use. Choosing the most popular can be a double-edged sword because network fees for those traded in huge numbers daily can be exorbitant. As a result, some flexibility in the cryptos supported by your wallet can be critical. Most crypto wallets will support at least a few before signing up for the wallet. Ensure that these fall within your desired coin range. Reputation and security. With rising cyber hazards across the board, security is a hot topic these days. Cyber criminals are drawn to sectors such as cryptocurrency, where the rewards for successful intrusions can be substantial. Even worse is the shoddy approach some developers take to product security. Check that the digital wallet you select has the security features you require. Consider the level of protection you require, such as multi-factor authentication, MFA, a cold wallet, or whether the service provider has a history of security failures. The top 5 crypto wallets. Here are some of the top crypto wallets options for everyone, whether you're looking for first-timers or merely looking for an alternative. 1. Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet was created by Viktor Radchenko, but the company was acquired by Binance in 2018. Today, it is Binance's official crypto wallet, and it is required to access Binance Smart Chain or Binance Chain, the parts of the crypto behemoth that deal with Binance Coin. Binance was launched in 2019 by Changpeng Zhao. However, restrictions against cryptocurrencies drove it to leave China. The corporation moved around a while before landing in the Cayman Islands. So why choose Trust Wallet? Trust Wallet, in addition to being a need for individuals trading in Binance Coin, can handle a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, a formidable set of features contributes to a robust security reputation. You can utilize two-factor authentication, 2FA, Google authentication, and even SMS or email verifications, for example. Trust Wallet retains the majority of its cash on cold storage servers for people who desire the convenience of a hot wallet with the security of a cold wallet. I'll explain the distinctions later in this post. So, as bizarre as it may sound, it's like having a cold wallet as a service. Furthermore, there are only a few fees related to Trust Wallet, and there are no wallet trading or de-app fees to pay. The only inevitable fees are those associated with blockchain transactions, and these are paid to miners or validators rather than Trust Wallet. Using your Trust Wallet, you directly purchase numerous cryptocurrencies. For the time being, the only on-platform exchanges supported are MoonPay and Simplex. But of course, you can buy your cryptocurrency anywhere and just transfer it to your Trust Wallet. One disadvantage of Trust Wallet is that it is only available on mobile devices. It's available on Android and iOS, but there's no desktop version. It's a touch bothersome for desk-bound types like me, but the portability of a mobile app means better convenience. 2. Huobi Pro. Huobi is another Chinese-based cryptocurrency service provider. Unfortunately, the statewide cryptocurrency ban caused Huobi to leave the country, and it is now based in Seychelles. Huobi Pro is a Bitcoin wallet that is part of the company's portfolio. Although this article focuses on the wallet, it's worth noticing that Huobi is one of the few crypto organizations with a relatively official basis. For example, the acquisition of Plantonix in 2018 enabled it to list on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Why choose Huobi Pro? Huobi Pro is a multi-chain light wallet, but don't be misled by the name. The term light only refers to the fact that it does not download the whole blockchain for transaction validation. It instead employs only block headers, making it lighter than others. This does not imply that Huobi is lacking in features. Huobi Pro is quite functional, and some may even argue that it's overly so. My first launch experience was a bit of a culture shock because it compresses so much detail into such a small amount of screen space. It supports most cryptocurrencies, over 1,000 of them, and as expected, you can buy them from traders on the P2P market or trade them directly on Huobi Global. It's international exchange. Most fiat currencies are accepted, and the currency's rapid global spread has placed it at an increasing number of physical locations. Huobi Pro has some intriguing security features to explore. While control over private keys is not unique, Huobi Pro appears to ensure assets. It is not specified how this works, however. It has previously restored monies lost due to faults. 3. Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase was formed in 2012, which was a very early year. It's the first ex-China property on our list, and it's the idea of Brian Armstrong. It has an unusually formal beginning, having been fueled by a Y Combinator investment event. Although they claim desktop functionality, it is only through a Chrome extension, which does not qualify Coinbase as a true hybrid-style hot wallet. Nonetheless, the volume has not been reduced, and Coinbase has gone public with revenue of more than $1.14 billion as of 2020. So why choose Coinbase Wallet? Coinbase has established a formidable formal presence in the United States as a result of government licensing and regulation. The only place in the United States where you can't use it is Hawaii. It's yet another all-in-one solution that works in tandem with their cryptocurrency exchange. Coinbase, unlike independents such as Trust Wallet, which is affiliated with Binance, owns and runs both the crypto wallet and the exchange. This connection simplifies things significantly because you just need one account to access everything. Coinbase initially supported solely Bitcoin, but is now compatible with nearly anything. Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and many other cryptocurrencies are now on that list. They've also stated that other currencies would be made available shortly. The simplicity of Coinbase's UI makes it incredibly appealing, particularly to new customers. The streamlined interface, on the other hand, takes a minor advantage of newcomers by charging somewhat higher costs. 4. Luno Wallet. Luno is yet another formally established crypto behemoth that has made its way into a slew of real locations throughout the world. Luno offices can be found throughout the United Kingdom, Singapore, South Africa, and even Sydney. The startup was founded by a former Google engineer and has a strong funding backing. Why choose Luno Wallet? Luno makes things extra simple for the first-time cryptocurrency owners. Grab the app and create an account, and you'll be able to buy cryptocurrency in seconds. Furthermore, the high degree of localization for many locations makes it simple to fund your wallet. For example, in areas where Luno is well established, you can simply go to the bank and deposit monies into a local account. Because of its strong association with a few fiat currencies, Luno is an ideal solution for consumers who are accustomed to traditional internet banking. Unlike many crypto wallets, Luno provides web access as well as mobile access. The experience is identical to that of mobile, thus switching from one interface to the other is seamless. And despite the numerous benefits of Luno, it's worth noting that they aren't yet regulated. There is also a little narrower range of crypto supported here, with only 5. You can store Bitcoin, of course, Ethereum, ETH, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, or Litecoin, LTC. 5. Exodus. J.P. Richardson and Daniel Costagnoli co-founded Exodus in 2015. Exodus Movement Incorporated is a Delaware-based company that has even managed a U.S. SEC-approved public investment round. The exercise raised $75 million and drew the attention of hundreds of investors. So why choose Exodus? Unlike many other crypto wallets, Exodus has abandoned the most secure title in favor of positioning itself as the unnerdy public's crypto wallet. It promises intuitive design and makes an effort to simplify what many people regard to be a difficult subject. Exodus is a hybrid wallet, which means it can be accessed via a desktop program as well as a mobile app. And to be honest, the manner they've constructed it distinguishes it from other crypto wallets. They've gone for a fairly streamlined design that appears more app-like than the stock market ticker design that many wallets seem to prefer. To elaborate further on the design, it operates with only the fundamental mechanism, a simple wallet. You may then increase functionality by using applications. You can, for example, upload live charts or participate in a rewards system. The issue is that Exodus's app system is still in its early stages, as is the design of the new Exodus interface. As a result, it may not be as extensive as some of the other wallets on this list, such as Huobi Pro. That's all for today's video, fellas. Thank you for watching. I hope all the shared information will be helpful for you all, and if you have any questions or doubts, please leave it in the comments section. I'll try my best to sort out your confusion. Till then, stay tuned and keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative content.